Welcome to Aqua Platicodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. Have you ever checked your delivery tracking, seen package delivered, but when you open the door, nothing's there? Congratulations, you might have just been visited by Porch pirates. This problem has become a serious issue in the US, and today we're diving into why it's happening and why it's so hard to stop. Every year, nearly 20 million packages get stolen, with total losses exceeding $5 billion. Cities like San Francisco, Los Angeles, New York, and Chicago are among the worst hit areas. In some neighborhoods, online shopping almost feels like a donation system. You order something, and someone else enjoys it. But why is this problem so difficult to prevent? First, America's housing structure makes theft incredibly easy. Most people live in single-family homes or apartment complexes without secured entry. There are no security guards, no package rooms, just a box sitting on a doorstep waiting to be taken. Second, delivery companies aren't exactly helping. Packages are often tossed on doorsteps without any real attempt to hide them. Some drivers even falsely mark packages as delivered when they're still in transit, causing even more confusion. And let's not forget, there have been cases where delivery workers themselves have stolen packages. Third, security cameras might capture the act, but they don't prevent it. Many Americans install Ring doorbells and surveillance cameras, but Porch pirates know the game. They wear masks, hoodies, or even full disguises. Some just grab and run before anyone can react. Without facial recognition databases or advanced tracking, most of these videos end up as evidence that no one acts on. So why don't the police crack down on this? It's not that they don't care, it's that they can't. Law enforcement already has overwhelming caseloads. Violent crimes, drug-related offenses, and major fraud cases take priority over stolen packages. When police resources are stretched thin, a missing Amazon box isn't going to make the list. Even if they do catch someone, what happens next? In many states, package theft is treated as a minor offense, sometimes not even considered a felony unless the value exceeds a certain threshold. Criminals know this. They take small amounts at a time, ensuring that even if they are caught, they face little to no real consequences. The real issue isn't just theft, it's the lack of strong enforcement policies. The root of the problem is that there are no real deterrents. If getting caught doesn't result in serious punishment, then porch piracy will continue to be an easy and profitable crime. So how do we fix this? Relying on better cameras, delivery lockers, or neighborhood watch groups can help, but they're just band-aid solutions. The real answer is making sure law enforcement has the resources and legal backing to crack down on these crimes properly. This means pushing for stronger penalties on package theft and investing in better investigative tools. It also means supporting policies that give law enforcement more authority to track and prosecute repeat offenders. And here's where regular people can actually make a difference. If you want to see changes, don't just complain on social media. Engage in your local community. Attend city council meetings. Contact your district representatives, and push for better policies. When enough people voice concerns, real changes start happening. So the next time you wonder why your package disappeared, remember, it's not just about a missing box. It's about whether your community takes crime seriously enough to stop it. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Aqua Platicodon. See you in the next one.